Parliamentary Joint Committee on Legal and Gender has received the last submissions from the Central Region regarding the Marriage Bill 2024. The Interreligious Council of Uganda presented their opinion on the bill and what they think should be deleted from the bill. The Interreligious Council of Uganda has proposed that Parliament should consider passing the National Legal Aid Bill that will ensure access to justice for the vulnerable and marginalized persons in matrimonial matters.
The rationale for this is that the exclusion of inherited and past ancestral property from the definition of matrimonial property may jeopardize the security of thousands of women and even men on land.
Clause 3, subsection 1 in the Marriage Bill provides for any other type of marriage as may be recognized by the minister by statutory instrument. This, according to the Interreligious Council of Uganda, should be deleted because it empowers the line minister to create new forms of marriages.
Delegated legislation envisioned by Parliament on formation of new forms of marriage may be potentially abused, and the minister may go beyond the intended scope or purpose of the bill.
Chair, we believe that this is a lot of power given to the minister to determine something of this magnitude. We feel that the clause is ambiguous and leaves a lot of loophole that can be used by the minister to accommodate unconventional forms of marriage, which may be destructive to our culture and traditions of our society.
Well, as the bill pushes to criminalize cohabitation, the Interreligious Council of Uganda says there is need to offer adequate protection of rights of parties.
Given the magnitude of the many relationships founded on cohabitation, the IRCU recommends that government should enact an exclusive bill separate from the Marriage Bill 2024, regulating relationships between cohabiting persons.
The Church of Uganda also re-emphasized on the definition of marriage.
We believe that marriage was ordained by God and that a good marriage law is a cornerstone of strong families, socio-economic stability, and cohesion in society.
However, some members of Parliament cautioned the Interreligious Council of Uganda on the Christian doctrines on polygamy, where some Christians presented views seeking to legalize the act.
And their presentation was like, in marriage, that many women are suffering. They need men to marry them. And for them, they introduced themselves. One had 4 wives, 3 wives, and these are pastors.
At the same time, men of God. And at the same time, advocating for the polygamous marriage.
The council responded to the claims.
Our desire as IRCU is to give civil marriages and Christian marriages a chance to stay in their original form, monogamous.
Lydia Chomkama and Dan Lugemwa, Parliament.